Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show UK49 prediction for Saturday 28 September 2024. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 11, number 12, number 35, number 39, number 41, number 42. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat number 11, number 12, number 35, number 39, number 41, number 42. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers number 4, number 8, number 20, number 22, number 24, number 31. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat number 4, number 8, number 20, number 22, number 24, number 31. Now lunchtime bonus ball numbers number 17 or number 23. Today lunchtime bonus ball numbers number 17 or number 23. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Today tea time prediction for Saturday 28 September 2024. Today tea time single prediction numbers number 5, number 6, number 8, number 10, number 18, number 22. Today tea time single prediction number repeat number 5, number 6, number 10, number 18, number 22. Now tea time second prediction numbers number 16, number 19, number 23, number 34, number 35, number 39. Today tea time second prediction number repeat number 16, number 19, number 23, number 34, number 35, number 39. Now tea time bonus ball numbers number 28 and number 36. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat number 28 and number 36. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.